Happy birthday to you. Wait for a while. Mom and Dad, excuse me. Before the birthday girl, gonna blow her first, fifth birthday candle. Alexa, look to mommy. You listen to mommy, okay? Alright, mama, kasabot naman ni mom. Guys, again, a round of applause to the mom. Mom, what is your birthday wish for baby, for Alexa?
Alexa, hope you will be a good girl and good daughter. And I love you so much. Happy birthday.
What will you say to mom?
Thank you, Mom. I love you, Mom.
Alright. Now let's have one more for the dad. Another round of applause for the daddy. Dad, excuse me, Dad. Dad, your birthday wish. No copy pastry para draft ko English. Joke lang, Dad. You can say anything. Sa'yo na lang ka na, I promise.
Alexa, listen to Daddy. Wala ka Daddy.
Hopefully, she's having a good health.
What will you say to Dad?
Thank you, Dad. I love you.
You have been healthy, Daddy? Been healthy, Daddy? Okay. Mommy also had picture? Do you guys have at each other? A picture? Okay, picture. Okay. Dad, I will be the super God. Oh, si Daddy. Okay. Alexa, this time around, Langa. Excuse me, close your eyes, make a wish. You don't have to say it. Wish lang ha, bawal tulog. Sige. Oh, para sa wish mo. Lagpas sa listahan. Okay? Okay, guys, one more. Happy birthday to you. Dear birthday girl. One more. I'll start with Madam. Hi, Ma'am. Lumigid, pamuras Madam Utag. Thank you. Hi, Ma'am, pangalan mo? Kinet. Oh, pangalan pa lang, pang day 2. Kinet. Okay. Ma'am Kinet, excuse me, paboritong hayop. Baboy. Ma'am! Mami! Dad! Ma'am! Why mo ba yung baboy na? Kita ko rin dyan ako. Kasi ito yung baboy, ma'am.
Ha?
Kasi ito yung baboy. Usap. Ma'am, tingin, dili ka naman nawag kay baboy. Mag-date ka ron. Sige lang, sige lang. Ay, ka na. Okay. Alitin ni ate, alitin. Kaya excuse me, te, pangalan te, Kate sa hayop. Joke lang, ate Kate. Ate Kate, paboritong hayop. Cat. Cat. Okay, sounds mong cat.
Meow.
Isang,
Meow.
Natay ko lang, te. Te, ano lang ka, stand straight, te. Ang kamot atos kilid. Ano, atos kilid, anak. Anak, te. Ya, kumuha natin. Asa ba ito kita? Wala to. Auto kinilagin. Anak, te, kumuha ang kamot niya. Anak. Ayun. Anak, tinabili. Alisa. Stand straight. Anang kamot. Anak, isang kamay. Yaw. Diyan, madak mo na lang. Okay. Hi, te. Pangalan, te.
Easy.
Asang dito. Dog lang ating gising. Paano ito kaya ating gising? Dog. Okay, saan si mong dog, te? Ma'am! Usang breed, ma'am. Aw-aw daw. Usang kasi siro, ma'am. Aw-aw, ma'am. Usang breed ba? Askal. Aw-aw, ma'am. At-at papudol. Wet-wet, duduman yung old chihuahua. Diba? Okay. Hi, te. Name? Chanelu. Hi, Regina. Excuse me, before about to proceed, I have a question for you. Alright? Okay? Is Harry Potter okay?
Huh?
Is Harry Potter okay?
No.
Is he good okay?
Huh?
Is Harry Potter okay?
No.
Is he good? Naka-shades man good. I think, name?
Kanding.
Si Kanding. Nanguntanag ko nun, sa Kanding. magkakaroon tayo. Usap-usap, discuss. Name,
Generally,
address,
San Fernando.
cell phone number,
Wala.
position desired. Tell me about yourself. Zip code. Issue mo yung mga flight. Ito ate, paborito hayop.
Kanding.
Kanding. Ito yung gusto mong kanding, te. Gusto mo nyo. Lang daw. Ikaw, sir. Panganswer. Hayop sa... Very good. Asa man ito inyong nose? Where is your nose? Very good. Chin. Asa man ang chin? Chin. Good. Chip. Asa man ang chip? Chip, dara lang ka. Chip. Nada. Chicken. Joke lang. Knees. Knees. Tuhod. Asa mo yung tuhod? Very good. Duhagot ka. Tuhod, iman manuhod, no? Oh, toes. Toes. Okay. How about your back? Where is your back? Buko-buko. Okay. Madami lang ha. The name today will be body language. And this is how it's done. If ever you're gonna hear dance music, you're gonna dance. Alright? You're about to dance. If the music stops, you're about to freeze, you don't move. Okay? Alright? And while not moving, you're about to close your mouth. Don't release your tooth. Alright? Isa lang ba, ayaw pakita yung ipon ha, para dili ma-out, or else kamo doha out. Okay? Sige, try na to. Hi, te. Hi, ate. Mushing. Te, excuse me, te. Ready na, te? Okay, sige. Music, te. Bili ko sa damay, te, no? Okay na gano'n na. Napa. Sayo! Hey, bitan. Hey, shit, sayo! Come on! Hey! Gusto na wala ko ba stepping nga niya? Basta sige lang, sayo! Hey, sayo din! Come on, you dance! Hey, shit! And pass! Kadang toys na mamakuyatan. Sige. Alright, alik po. Alik po. Very nice. Bigyan sa pick-up, kana siya lang ka. Kana siya partner. Okay, by the way, sir, natin mga sayo mga pukarda, sir, no? Mga upbeat music, sir. Alright, one more. Green. One year also. One more, just one. Okay, one more. Just one regular purple. Palpak. Okay, palpak na.